Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Xylo for service at the moment. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is completely ready for service with us. We have replaced the air filter. The old filter has been replaced and we are cleaning the main filter also. And on this you can just check out the brand new diesel filter has been added in this, and also the fuel filter is added, and diesel filter is also been replaced. Right now I'll be showing you the old fuel filter. So this is the old fuel filter. This is the engine oil which has been completely drained out, and this is the diesel filter which has been replaced. We are adding a Additive diesel filter in this, and this is the fuel filter which has been replaced completely. We also have a Motul 15W40 diesel oil in this. We'll be topping up the power steering fluid, coolants, and a brand new air filter has been added to the machine at the moment in the fuel filter box. That's the air filter box. Right now we are adding a Wurth engine oil additive. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be mixing this to the engine oil for a better performance of the vehicle. So right now the engine oil additive has been added to the machine at the moment for a better performance, and also it reduces the emission. So this is the engine oil. Almost 6.8 liters will be added to the machine to this Xylo Eagle engine. So you can just check out the quality of the engine oil, how beautiful it is. It's 15W40 multi-grade engine oil, a good performance oil. Right now the engine oil has been completely installed in this, and also we are going to replace the brake fluids. We'll be adding a brand new brake fluids for our machine. So for any kinds of service, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you.